Hey guys, it's Angradny here, and as you know, my server has been built, and this is a short video how it was done. As you can see, my friends brought me a parts, and the processor was already put into the motherboard, and the radiator and the fan was installed. And you see this, this is a SSD drive M2 and has a radiator attached to it. And this is the power supplier. You watched me getting the power supplier in the last video, and this is cool because this is the modular power supplier, so which means I can connect whatever I want cables and they are not connected to the bunch, which makes the installation of that radiator easier. Okay, let's start putting everything together. And this is where the LED are controlled. It's an extra bonus for this computer case. Not needed, but it's there. And now it's time for motherboard. Connecting right pins on motherboard. The worst part of this whole exercise. So I'll tell you one story once I installed the RAM. As you can see, I did it in the first and the third bank. However, I couldn't bring them up to speed because they were locked to the manufacturer speed. And BIOS didn't take any settings. What happened? I had to change the banks. So I had to put them in the second and the fourth bank, and now it's perfect. And this is completely bonus for myself. It's a GPU. It's AMD RX 6700XT 12 GB VRAM. There's no need for that powerful graphic in my server. However, yes, let's have some pleasure as well. Yeah, and let's play Elite Dangerous. Okay, now it's time to switch that baby on. And we have that server working. So the next step would be actually build a lab. So subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell icon so you don't miss that part. Obviously check my blog angrysysops.com. I also open Facebook group called VMware Knowledge Base. You are more than welcome to join it. If you have any questions or comments, please ping me on Twitter. My handle is @sysops. I would like to say thank you to my friend who helped me to source all the parts. And if you want to build your own server and not to spend a fortune on it with the good parts like I am, chat to my friend. It's coinne.enterprise@gmail.com, and his email address would be here or here or here or everywhere. We'll see. Highly recommend him. You can say you are from Angry Admin for the very good price. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you in the next one. Bye.